Hello, welcome to my number 8 crochet tutorial. In this tutorial video, we're going to learn how to do a half double crochet. So I have done a starting chain of 20 chains here. I feel like that's a good number to start out with, just so that way that we can kind of learn these stitches. So what you're going to do first, for a half double crochet, it's basically exactly how it sounds. It is half of a double crochet. So you are going to start out by going into the third chain from your hook. So we're going to count 1, 2, here's the third chain. You're going to yarn over your hook and go into that chain. Then you're going to yarn over again and pull up a loop. We've got those 3 loops on our hook now, and this is so easy. You're going to yarn over and you're going to go through all 3 loops on your hook, and that is a half double crochet. So let's try that again. Yarn over, you're going to go into the very next chain here, yarn over again, pull a loop out, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. One more time. We're going to yarn over, go into our next stitch, yarn over again, pull back out, yarn over, and go through all 3 loops. So you're going to continue doing this down your starting chain until you get to your very last chain, and then meet me back here. Okay, so here we are. I have completed my first row of half double crochet stitches all the way down to my final chain here. So we're going to go ahead and count and see how many stitches that we have. Excuse me. So your chain 2 in the beginning, when you went into the third stitch from your chain, from your hook I mean, that counts as your turning chain. So that's actually your first stitch, just like in double crochet, how that chain start counts as your first stitch. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Sorry, I got my yarn a little twisted up here. And this is going to be our final stitch in this row. So this will make 19. So now that we're at the end, we're going to do a chain 2, 1, 2, and you're going to turn your work. And then you're going to work into the second stitch, because this chain 2 counts as your first half double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, go into that second V, yarn over again and pull up a loop, yarn over again and go through all 3 of those loops. Do it one more time. Yarn over, go in, yarn over, come out, yarn over, go through all 3. So that, my friends, is a half double crochet. I would say that I probably use the half double pretty rarely. I don't use it quite that much, but it is kind of a fun stitch to do because it's a little more complicated than the single, but not quite as complicated as the double. And it is a little bit bigger than the single crochet also, so you're making a little bit more progress. So if you have any questions or comments, anything like that, go ahead and leave them on this video. If you're so inclined to look me up on Facebook, you can find me at facebook.com/sistersuz. That's SISTERSUZ. And that'll take you to my Sister Sue's Crochet page on Facebook. So until the next time, thanks a lot.